Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to transfer Metamask wallet to another device. So let's get started. First things first, to add your current Metamask wallet to another device, you need to have your recovery phrase. And to get that, all you have to do is just log in to your Metamask. Let's say on your desktop, currently logged in here. All you need to do is just go to your account settings, just click this three-line icon. Then from here, choose account details. Then it'll lead you to this page. And then as you can see, there's an option that you can choose, which is secret recovery phrase. All you need to do is just click this one. And then you'll have to answer two questions for you to be able to get your secret recovery phrase. Make sure you save that then, because that's going to be important. Then go back to a MetaMask, a new device, let's say for example on this same account. Then all you have to do is just add account, connect with MetaMask, and then just go ahead and connect a new account, just like this one, create account. And then from here, you'll be able to connect your account using the recovery phrase from here. And that's it. That's now you know how to transfer MetaMask wallet to another device. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.